fact, some people are branding some of us that we are opposing the BBI. Hata hiyo ulisikia wapi? The last time the BBI, the first report came out, we all said we had no issues. This other report has not come out. So why would anybody want any Kenyan to support a document that they have not seen? Why is there a lot of drama to push for a document that Kenyans have not read? What is in it? Why are we being told about, I don't know, this term will be extended, another layer of government? Why? And why the blackmail? Why the threats? Why the push? Why don't we, as decent, reasonable people, discuss, have a conversation, have a debate, and let us put the people's interest before any other interest? Some of these people are shamelessly telling us that they are making they want to change the constitution so that they can share positions. Shamelessly. I mean, surely we have serious priorities in Kenya, and there is a huge disconnect between such people and the ordinary people in Kenya. The priority for ordinary Kenyans is the loss of jobs as a result of corona. The people who cannot feed themselves. The people whose businesses have been destroyed. That is priority. I don't know where they find these other priorities. We are finding all manner of cards flying. At one point we are being told we need another layer of government, another layer of bureaucracy. At another moment, some other people are telling us that it is about extension of terms. The question you ask, my boss, President Uhuru Kenyatta, is a Democrat. I don't think President Uhuru Kenyatta has told anybody that he wants his term extended. So where are these people finding all this? I would dare ask, Uliskia Wapi? Ati Rais Uhuru Kenyatta anataka term yake isongeshwe. Wewe ambaye unatupatia hiyo story, ulisikia wapi?